A brand new era is coming, and today, you're about to witness the future of compact hatchbacks. This is the upcoming Toyota Yaris 2026. Sleek, modern, shiny, and packed with futuristic design touches, this is the car that is already creating massive hype, even before its official reveal. Just look at this profile. The same iconic Yaris size, but now sharper, bolder, and much more muscular. The redesigned side curves, extended shoulder lines, and glossy metallic finish give this 2026 model a presence far beyond its segment. From the front, Toyota has gone all in on a premium look. The aggressive LED headlights, sculpted bonnet lines, and wide futuristic grille make this car look more like a mini sports hatch than a budget city car. This new grille design is one of the biggest upgrades. It's large, aerodynamic, and built to give the Yaris a luxury-inspired identity. And look at these LED units, crystal clear, ultra-sharp, and designed for maximum road presence. Moving towards the rear, the 2026 Yaris gets an entirely redesigned bumper. Sleeker lines, darker accents, sharper taillights, and a more dynamic stance. It's compact, but visually powerful from every angle. Now this is where things get interesting. With the doors wide open, you can instantly feel the improved cabin structure. Toyota has focused heavily on comfort, spacing, and premium materials this time. Even in a compact car, the interior feels much more refined. Rear space has been slightly improved, making it more practical for everyday passengers. Better seat cushioning, enhanced fabric quality, and new door trims give it a modern yet simple look. The dashboard layout reflects Toyota's new design language: clean, minimal, and driver-focused. A new infotainment screen, updated AC vents, premium steering design, and improved tech features are expected to come standard in the 2026 variant, but take a look at these alloy wheels, glossy, sporty, and perfectly matched with the new body design. Toyota is clearly aiming for a more youthful and energetic appeal with this upcoming model. Under these bright showroom lights, you can truly see how polished and shiny the car is. The 2026 Yaris looks modern, futuristic, and absolutely stunning from every direction. Toyota has clearly pushed its design game to the next level.